Come, let's see, Preferences. The Preferences in the file management system is available under the Settings on the navigation panel. You can just click it to view a bunch of options one after other, which can be set to behave as per your convenience. Let us understand these preferences and the options available with each of them. The initial option available is Alert Setting, which allows you to configure alerts via email, SMS, and the Sandesh mobile application for your electronic files, receipts, and dispatches. You can select any combination of these mediums to receive alerts, whether you prefer notifications for files only or for any or all of them. Once enabled, alerts for all files, receipts, and dispatches will be forwarded to you based on your preference. This alert function operates independently from Notify and Intimate to Settings. Even if the alert settings are disabled, you will still receive alerts for files or receipts whenever someone chooses to forward them to you. Next up is Correspondence Draft View Settings. This helps you set the default right panel view for file in a page to be displayed whenever user opens any file. The options include Table of Correspondences. All, that is the combined view of all correspondences in a file. Recent, opening up the last correspondence attached in a file. Draft List, opens up the list of drafts in the file. All Drafts, gives you a PDF view of all draft letters one after another, attached in a file. Previous Notings, displays all previous notes by default, and then the References, which opens up the list of all references attached in the file. Choosing any one of these will set your preference of correspondence view, such that whenever a file is opened, any one of these chosen option will open by default. Remember, setting it to all may take some time to load it, depending upon the size of all correspondences in a file. Next up is Choose Default File Inner View. This lets you choose if the file inner page, that is, the noting and correspondence view, should open in a 50-50 ratio by default, or the noting expanded view, or the TOC expanded view, when a file is opened. And then of course you can use this option to come back to 50-50 view when needed. Next is the listing view. By default, the inbox records are visible in column-based view, where for each record is visible under the column heads at the top, such as its computer number, file number, subject, and etc. This can be changed to row-based view from here, and then you can see the records in a complete row-based fashion, where each record is visible in a row, with its details one after other. You can change this view from preference to behave to your default option set. Next is Notify for blank noting. If enabled, this gives you an alert if you are forwarding a file with blank note. This is just to alert you for if missed to write a note before sending the file, or you want it to go as it is. Next, PDF Viewer Preference has the option to choose whether you want the browser's PDF viewer to help you view receipts and correspondence in the application, or the eOffice application provided PDF viewer for the same. eOffice recommends use of application provided viewer, and this also helps in easy flagging by right-click on the correspondence itself. Next is Dashboard Settings. When you enter File Management System, by default you are taken to Files inbox. This can be changed to Open Dashboard by default, provided the default screen after login in Dashboard Settings is checked on. More in Dashboard Settings is setting up your priority subjects for files and receipts, and the receipts forms of communication. These when chosen, which is a maximum to 3, will display the count of their pendency from dashboard. Now, the max number of records per page helps you set the maximum number of records to be displayed in listings such as inbox. Remember, the higher the number of records per page, the more time it may take to load it, comparatively, which may even be less noticeable in case of light files. Next is Address Book Level. File Management System lets you save dark sender details in address book so that you needn't retype all details and can fetch it easily while diarization. The address book can be managed at 4 levels, that is 1 for self, other for use of all users of a section, and then so is for department and instance, which means the complete ministry. Setting up of a default value here will add the sender's contact details in it by default when Add to Address Book option is checked on during diary process. Since this is a default value, you can always change it to other options from here. Next is default font size and font family, where you can choose your default font size and family for your notes, drafts and acknowledgement preparation. Next is previous notes ordering. This lets you set the default order of notes, as if you want to see the oldest first or the latest first. The oldest first displays the notes in the order that the first ever noting gets displayed at the top, and the recently added at the bottom, so as one will have to scroll up to view previous notes. Whereas the latest first displays the recent note at top, and the oldest at the bottom, so as one will have to scroll down to view previous notes. Next is default inbox sorting. The newest first option will display the recent received files or receipts at the top, with the previous ones as we scroll below. And the oldest first displays the most previously received receipt or file at the top, and the ones received after it, as we scroll down. The final preference setting is default locale. Users can adjust the application language from the top right corner of the eFile application interface. This setting determines the language in which menu labels appear throughout the application. Users have the flexibility to switch between different languages. If desired, one can set Hindi as the default by selecting it in the default locale preferences. Well, that was all about user preferences. Thank you.